Hey dude, if you're ready to turn your struggles into fuel for your recovery journey, you're in the right place. You're going through a difficult time, feeling lost, burdened by the pain of your past. But what if I told you that with that pain comes something extraordinary? Key lies in transmutation, taking that raw, emotional energy and harnessing it for a higher purpose. And instead of allowing the pain to just consume you, you can use it as a driving force in your recovery. It all starts with acknowledging your pain, acknowledging your struggles, and giving yourself permission to feel, not escaping it with the illusion of peace, chasing the pain with the bottle. And by doing so, you create space for healing and growth. We don't grow, we stay stuck. We can't hurt ourselves into happiness. More pain doesn't equal more pleasure. Journaling, coaching, self-reflection, these are all incredibly powerful tools to help you navigate these emotions. But I don't want to feel the pain, that's why I'm drinking. But you're amplifying that pain with every single sip. You can't heal the pain from within the environment that's causing it. You gotta take a break. Doing this allows you to explore the depths of your emotions and get extreme clarity on what really needs your attention. I know that sounds scary, but your emotions can't hurt you. And here's where the magic happens. Transmutation. Once you've acknowledged your pain, it's time to transmute it into purpose. You're not gonna find purpose at the bottom of a bottle. If it was there, you would have found it already. At this point, you ask yourself, how can I use this pain to do something meaningful? How can I use my past and use my struggles as a source of inspiration for myself and others? I used my liver failure to help people recover from alcohol abuse. I've used my trauma to help other people navigate their own mind and remove themselves from toxic situations. My greatest pains became my greatest strengths. Pain has the power to awaken your inner strength, resilience, and empathy. It has the power to ignite a fire within you and literally change the world, or at least make a difference. And here's the beautiful part. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with a community that supports you, that uplifts you, that literally fans the flames of your success. It's never too late to take care of you. Maybe you've already taken the first step, or maybe today is the day that you take that first step. Embrace your struggles, attract your tribe, and let the power of transformation guide you on a powerful recovery journey. Remember, you could use that pain to continue punishing yourself, or you could use that pain to be a catalyst for something great. I did it. So can you.